Hello and welcome to my level, King Edward's Crown. You start in a church, and here are some NPCs. We broke through, go get that crown now. So you're supposed to find and steal King Edward's crown in this system here, this cave system. Here I'm using a funnel before reveal to reveal the landmark, the castle over here, and also that tall building over there. And then I reveal the next local landmark, and also the spikes here. I'm using the skeleton to show that the spikes are dangerous. And here the spikes are alternating to make them to increase the difficulty a bit. I'm using the planks to guide the player to jump over here, and the lamps on the other side to measure the distance. Here are rotating platforms where you're supposed to time your jumping. And this one is a bit more difficult, where you're supposed to time it when both of the planks on the platforms are out. Guiding the player over here with the crates, forming guiding lines this way. And here the furniture is all pointing this way. And the planks are pointing that way. The roof is tilted, guiding the player over here. Here I'm introducing an arrow trap and an axe trap. And I'm using the portal to make the player feel that they're entering an important area, the cathedral. I'm using rhythm with the benches to get a sense of progression. And here is King Edward's crown, and you pick it up and you fall through the floor, and you enter the next part of the level. You fall into this storage room. Another rotating platform, and here you're supposed to time it with the axe as well, making it a bit more difficult. Here are executions of different sorts. Here I'm combining the spike trap with the axe trap, and the arrow trap with the axe trap. And here I'm using the static spikes with the axes. Another execution, the benches are leading over here. More executions, more guiding lines this way. So here you learn that the bows are shooting alternating. So you need to time it like this. Here you need to adjust your timing with the spikes and also the arrows. Alternating arrows again. I'm using the arrows on the floor to guide the player over here. And you enter this balcony and you get this beautiful view of the countryside. That's the end of the level. Thank you.